We have come on behalf of the state of Meghalaya as a government.
Sorkar Meghalaya bat Assam kila mynjur ban pyndep no jingsieh mawpud bat thikna jaka bala Iakren pynbeit kaban long Shuwa jingrakhe Independence Day ni hapoh khatsan tarik Nailar. Iakren la pyndep da menteri rangba jela konrat ke sangma hadin lang bat menteri rangba Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma kabala long sening kong Guwahati. Kini ki hintiu tylli ki jaka ki dai na pedeng ki khat artli ki baladeb banya penbet de ki artli ki jella bat ka baladeb ru banya soy saskular MOU hauluber arhajar arpuar akhmat menteri kampo yingkari Amit Shah Delhi kekin hun na Meghalaya ki blaidan lang ha lang kin thup yo menteri katana jungok kai ba pol lingdo bat chief secretary ba DP walang bat ki wei ki he sarkar Nagalyang ka Assam pat layasan ran yung menteri rangba Himanta Biswa Sarma deki menteri Sorkar batki he officer.
Whether it is power production, whether it is irrigation, or whether it's development of tourism. In all three fronts and many more, both the states will benefit. And hence, we have decided, with the condition, of course, that the people living in those areas will be taken into confidence. Discussions will be held with them, and we'll find a way forward on how we could take this project ahead. And today, in principle, both the governments have decided that we will work together as also a symbol of our Assam and Meghalaya friendship, that we will try and move this project forward. And in principle, we have decided that the work will start, starting with consultation with the people living in those areas.